Hello my friends and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld, and today what we're going to be doing is a quick cartoon drawing of the rock. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? So I like to use what I call I think of the head kind of like a stop sign. I think of 6 sides. I think of the bottom and the top being 1 and 2, then the side of the forehead 3 and 4, and the jawline 5 and 6, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I'll notice that his bottom shape is going to be a little bit bigger than the top shape. But once again, I'm not going to get confused by that. I'm just going to go like this. 1, go work my way into the 2 shape here. And then this is the 3 shape. This is the 3 side. Okay. Then over here, I'll go to the 4, 5, and then here 6. Okay, and then I just go ahead and I'll put this ear shape right at the bend. Okay, and we'll go ahead and put his neck shape here. It's kind of diesel. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our eye shape. So we're going to go 1, come down in there with it, and then 2. We want to get that eye shape in there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our eye in there. So we're going to just make sure we got it close enough to there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, just like so. It's got that rock. Is the rock? What can you smell? Something over there. And then we'll just go ahead and put the top part over the eye, just like that. I think that looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do the nose. He has a very small nose with a long root or a long bridge. So what I'll do here is I'll go ahead and I'll do the top shape of the nose, make it as round. I don't want to make it real big. Suggest the roundness, right? And then we'll go ahead and we'll add our shape like so. Okay. And then we're going to add his mouth shape. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, just like that. You know how you got that smug look. Then we'll just add some dimension to the eyes here. Okay. And I also want to go ahead and I'm going to chisel out that face. I'm going to chisel out those cheekbones. Okay. And add these smile lines, just like so. All right. So see there, guys, just a few basic ideas. Once I understood what my basic idea was, it was easy for me to be able to draw the rock and make it look like a convincing picture of him. Okay, so and let me I'm gonna kind of move it up just a little bit here. You guys give me a sec here. I had put it down with a tape, but I want you to be able to see the whole drawing there. So there we go. Good thing right there. Now let's go ahead and do some shadows. Okay, so for the shadows, we'll use a gray Crayola. All right, and I'm going to use one that's a little less dry. There, that one's kind of dry. All right, here we go. So we'll add some shadow here, here. You see that little that square square right there. See how we added that shadow? We can actually just go ahead and color that in, it doesn't matter. Okay, and we'll add some here. Everything on this side of the face, kind of I'm just adding shadow to. Okay, and then we'll put some shadow here underneath the face. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and also do the eyebrows like that. Awesomeness. Awesomeness. Okay. So, there you have it, guys. All we have to do now, I have a little Amazon Basics marker here. You can find these on my our Amazon store, Rowserworld at Amazon. It'll tell you everything that we use here on the stream. I want to take this time, guys, to thank you for watching our video and tutorial on how to draw a caricature. If you'd like to learn more about the art of caricature, you could watch our videos. We have plenty of videos online. Or you can attend one of our live classes that we're offering now on Zoom. So that's awesome, where you get to do classes either one-on-one or in a group setting. Our groups are only 5 people or less. So you can sign up for those. If you want information about that, just go to Zoom, go to Rowserworld.com, our website. Click on the class link in that in our website, and it'll give you a calendar and tell you where you can sign up at, if there's space available, all that good stuff like that. Okay, so guys, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna sign my work here. Okay, and then I gotta put the rock up here somewhere. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.